Warren Edward Buffett, born August 30, 1930, he is an American business magnate, investor, and philanthropist. He is considered by some to be one of the most successful investors in the world, and as of March 2017 is the second wealthiest person in the United States, and the fourth wealthiest in the world, with a total net worth of $73.3 billion. Born in Omaha, Buffett developed an interest in business and investing in his youth, eventually entering the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania in 1947 before transferring and graduating from University of Nebraska-Lincoln at the age of 19. Buffett went on to enroll and graduate from Columbia University, where he learned and eventually molded his investment philosophy around a concept pioneered by Benjamin Graham: value investing. He attended New York Institute of Finance to specialize his economics background, and soon after began various business partnerships, including one with Graham. After meeting Charlie Munger, Buffett created the Buffett Partnership. His firm would eventually acquire a textile manufacturing firm called Berkshire Hathaway and assume its name to create a diversified holding company. Buffett has been the chairman and largest shareholder of Berkshire Hathaway since 1970. And his business exploits have had him referred to as the Wizard, Oracle, or Sage of Omaha by global media outlets. He is noted for his adherence to value investing and for his personal frugality despite his immense wealth. Buffett is a notable philanthropist, having pledged to give away 99% of his fortune to philanthropic causes, primarily via the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. In 2009, with Bill Gates and Mark Zuckerberg, Warren founded the Giving Pledge, whereby billionaires pledge to give away at least half of their fortunes. He is also active in contributing to political causes, having endorsed Democratic candidate Hillary Clinton in the 2016 U.S. presidential election. He has publicly opposed the policies, actions, and statements of the current U.S. President, Donald Trump.